Customizing your receipts. Customize the information displayed on your receipts to further personalize your service or as an additional marketing tool to grow your business. In this lesson, you'll learn how to edit receipt details, customize your receipt message, and select receipt printing options. From POS Setup, select Receipt. Enter Edit Mode, then enter the heading name, which will be displayed at the top of the receipt. Enter a custom message. Use the Insert Field menu to insert fields which will pick up and display the client information in your database. Alternatively, you can enter a new message to let your clients know about a current promotion, promote online bookings, or to direct them to your website or Facebook page. You have the option to print receipts automatically after each point of sale transaction. Complementary receipts are secondary receipts that you can choose to print at the end of each transaction. Hiding client details such as their name and address, and including future appointment details on your receipts are also options. Toggle yes or no to enable or disable these to suit you. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to edit receipt details, customize your receipt message, and select receipt printing options.